Okay, now we're going to add the sink and the water closet. And for that, you can get it from any block provider, symbols provider. So I provided one here, and we can simply copy this. This is an imperial drawing. So I can just Control C, okay, and then uh, bring it in here. Uh, I'll go in auto space, Control V, so it's a dot. See, AutoCAD uses one unit regardless whether it's millimeter or inches. So in terms of inches, this is actually really small, like an inch, 1 foot. So there's a conversion factor of 25.4 to convert uh, imperial to metric. So we're just going to scale this base point and then say multiply it by 25.4. Okay. Then we can now move this, I'll move this from here to, I'll start by placing it on the line, okay? And then M, or repeat the command, move P for previous. So previous selection set, and then move this here. Okay. Now notice I place the toilet and sink together rather than placing it here, so that when you do piping, you place the drainage and the supply, water supply here on this wall instead of running it around. So drainage and water supply. Okay, so now that we have done that, I can now go back here, and maybe I need to move my dimension line and add some more. So I'll zoom in, and I'm just going to move this dimension line over there. Okay. And then add uh, a dimension line linear, DI, dim linear. I think it's nice to have a dimension from here to the center, like where you want that added. Okay. Uh, like so. And then likewise, dim linear, you want to maybe dimension this and dimension that. Okay. Escape. And then, of course, you don't want this to overlap, so you'd like to maybe move that. Okay. And then minimize and do the same here. We want to add the washroom, and for that, uh, yeah, we'll just place it on the same side again. So we're just going to go, uh, maybe I'll do model space and then copy this. Okay. CP or copy, and then place it here, going there. Okay. I might need to mirror this. MI, mirror P, previous, and I think the previous selection set is this one here. So for this one, escape, uh, mirror. So I need to mirror this from here to, I think, like so. Okay. Delete source object, yes, and then mirror this again. Previews, so this time that should work. And I'm going to mirror it this way. Say yes. And then I'm going to move the previous selection set from here to there. Again, move previous selection set. So P from here to there. Okay. It's a big room, so maybe we can still place a shower right here. Okay, and then from here, we can go back to our layout tab and add or maybe edit our dimension. So double click here, maximize. So one, I'd like to move this. So maybe move it there. And likewise, move this dimension and move it here. Okay, maybe that's too far. I'd like to avoid overlapping lines to provide clarity. And then DI, linear, dim linear here. So add dimensions here. And repeat the command, add dimensions here. And maybe I'd like to add another one from the midpoint to, let's say, here. Okay, and then minimize. So that's adding dimension lines to the different viewport. And notice the height of the dimension is automatically scaled to the scale of the viewport, whether it's 1 to 20, 1 to 30, or 1 to 75.